Okay, now we have Just Beachy. Just Beachy. Hold on. Gina said we did the hop on hop bus in New York. After going around once, we knew which stops we wanted to get off at, right? Because a lot of times you can do it more than once. You buy the ticket for the whole day and then you can, that's smart, go all the way around and then go around again and know when you want to hop on and hop off. I like it. Carla said we took the tour trolley in Washington, D.C. It was a great way to pack and seeing a lot in a very short time. And what's so nice about that too is when you do things like that, you get the commentary. So they tell you things about what you're seeing in the city and things like that. And sometimes you don't, get to see. All right, so Just Beachy. Just Beachy is summer-ish, but it's more, well, beach, right? It's kind of like beach summer. So this is very much, obviously it's called Just Beachy. This is beach. This is all things beach. Starting out with the 6x8 paper pad. So as we've done with the rest of the collections, we will take a look at the a la carte products first, and then we will take a look at the big bundle. 6x8 paper pad, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns, making waves and catching rays. Oh my goodness, look at the fish. And oh, look at those, all the little creatures there. They're not really creatures. Hermit crabs, octopus, sea turtles, a puffer fish, little whales, cute, squid, really fun. Little wave, some florals, kind of tropical looking florals. Snap and picks, love that grid or ledger. Ooh, this is, not this. Sorry, I kind of sneak at the next two. A nice diagonal stripe and a little map with geotags. But this kind of treatment on both of those papers makes it, kind of reminds me of OP. You guys remember like Ocean Pacific? Well, I think it's still around, but back in the day. I love that kind of weathered look on both of those pieces. Some ferns, I think. Travel with me. Little scene with a kind of like a Hawaii or Fiji looking scene, a mountain in the background with palm tree. Really fun summer icons. Ooh, that's so cute. And I love that color combination again, the orange and the blush. Nice little kind of beachy wave there. Monstera leaves. Really pretty floral there on that grid. A nice yellow and white flower. And then you have your 2 sheets of 3x4 cut aparts. You're a lifesaver, thank you. All right, 6x8 pad. Then we move into the sticker sheet. So we have 12 sheets again. All the Simple Story sticker books have 12 sheets. This one has 349 stickers. A nice assortment of icons. Oh my goodness, cute. Fun Sun. Fun Sun, yes, Christy. Christy is naming the designer that designed this collection, Kelly Bangs. Kelly Bangs is one of the Simple Stories designers. You can start to get a feel for her collections because you'll notice her style, very much her style. Flea Market was one of her collections. Noteworthy was one of her collections. True Colors, I think. True Colors, one of her collections. Always really bright colors, really kind of fun and hip, and there's a nice alpha there. Little circles, some little labels, word strips. She always has a floral, and her florals to me are very recognizable. Very, very, very recognizable, kind of her style. So lots of great florals there. Some nice little like beach wood signs. Oh, and look at those. So fun. A narwhal. Love all those little creatures. Very fun. Some signs. More signs. Oh, I know what these are. These, we'll talk about these in a bit. These are all stickers, right? These look like you might see like vinyl stickers. It'll make more sense in a minute. And then more little stickers, okay? Like stickers that you might see someone put on a water bottle or on a laptop or something like that. And then some little luggage tags, okay? So that is the Just Beachy sticker book. I'll just jump to these right now. This is why I said this will make sense in a second. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 packages of die cuts in this collection. I'm gonna start with this one. This one is called Sticker Bits. So not to be confused, these are not stickers. These are die cuts, like the bits that we're used to seeing from Simple Stories. But I think they called these sticker bits because they look like the stickers that you would see, like vinyl stickers that you would see someone putting on, you know, their, I was going to say their surfboard because Karen said on a surfboard, right? Yes, they could be like on a surfboard, on a water bottle, on a laptop, whatever have you. These are called sticker bits, but they are not stickers. They're die cuts, but they're calling them sticker bits because they kind of look like artwork for vinyl stickers. Hopefully that's not too confusing. All die cuts. That pack is 39 die cuts. Okay, ciao. I love traveling. Pack up. Oh my goodness, talk about OP, right? Talk about OP. That totally reminds me of that. Anyhow, cruise. Anyhow, lots of fun things in that package of sticker bits, but they're not stickers. They're die cuts. I'm sure. Well, I don't know. That may cause some confusion just because they're called sticker bits, but they're really die cuts. But I get what they were doing. I mean, they look like stickers. They look like sticker artwork, maybe I should say. All right, so let's keep going with the die cuts here. The die cuts. Let's look at the regular bits. How about that? The regular die cuts. Oh my goodness. I see the cutest little peacock in here. Nick and I, my husband and I, were in Hawaii a couple weeks ago because he has a big conference there every year. So I, of course, tag along. And we were on the North Shore on Oahu, and a guy just like this little peacock, they're all over there. So just walking across the road, we were at a little stand getting an acai bowl, and this little guy just walking across the road. So I totally get that, the little peacock at the beach. Really fun wave. That is so cool. Some airline tickets, sandcastle, beach. So if you're looking for like beach travel, this is definitely it because it's just beachy, right? It's definitely, oh my goodness, look at that guy. How cute. How cute he is. Definitely all beach. Now, different kinds of beach, right? This could be Southern California beach. This could be Florida beach. This could be the Bahamas beach. It could be lots of different beaches. Oh my gosh. We are on holiday. Do not disturb. Such fun things. Hawaii beach for sure, like luau, right? Little whale, so cute. Just a happy little whale. All right, so all of those guys in that pack, there are 60 bits and pieces. So tons. Oh my goodness. Like the little VW bus. Lots and lots, little tiki huts. Lots of die cuts in there. Little tiki, right? There, you could have, usually don't see those more, well, you can see them West Coast, but more like northern West Coast, like Oregon and Washington. Anyhow, those are the regular bits and pieces. Next up, we will take a look at the floral bits. Floral bits. So floral bits, obviously, are going to be lots of different florals. Floral bits are something that if you're really drawn to this collection, but you're like, I love the colors, I love the designs, but I don't really do beach, floral bits would get you there, right? Because they're flowers. You could work those floral bits into any of your projects. You'd have the lovely artwork. You'd have the lovely color palette, but without having to do beach, right? If you don't do beach, but you like the way it looks. So here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. That big cluster of flowers. It's just so pretty. So pretty. Lots and lots and lots of those. Let's define that. 39. Lots and lots and lots as in 39. And all different sizes, right? All different sizes. So I'm going to say that this guy right here is probably the biggest one. That's probably about 3 inches. Oh no. Well, about 3.5. Yeah. So nice size, nice scale, but beautiful colors and that lovely artwork. Those are the floral bits. All right, we have 2 more bits to look at. The next one, the journal bits. So again, your regular bits and pieces are always going to be more icon heavy. And then your journal bits are going to leave you a little bit of room to write. Maybe add titles to or do a little bit of journaling. So those will be journal bits. We have 34 journal bits. Journal bits, there are 34 in there. Look at how cute, tropical paradise. Ooh, I like that. Look at the boarding passes. Those are fun, aren't they? And a couple different colors. Luggage tags, a little bit of journaling there with a toucan, like Toucan Sam. Geo tags in a couple of different colors. Popsicle paradise, flip-flop paradise. Oh, that's fun. Photos, some different labels that are little tags, like that. Sunglasses, you could write in those. More like luggage tags, more labels, and then you have some of those like wooden signs. All right, palm tree paradise. Those are the journal bits. All right, last package of die cuts that we're going to look at in Just Beachy, the big bits. So the big bits, again, are going to be much larger scale, fewer, but much larger. 21 of those. These are great for 12 by 12 scrapbookers, right? Or if you're doing a mini book, many of them would fit in a mini book, like a 6 by 8, something like that. But these are definitely much larger scale. Like, look at our little toucan. Love these guys. That reminds me of like the East Coast, right? East Coast of the US. We see kind of little beach houses like that up on the stilts. Oh, look at him. Really fun little flamingo there. Oh, this wave. I love that wave. Your little VW bus, our little palm trees, a nice big floral, room key, a camera, a large sun, and then a couple small guys. So those are the big bits. Big bits. Okay. 2 more things to look at in Just Beachy before we take a quick look at the big bundle. I'm going to just get these back in here quickly. Next thing, we'll take a look at the Rubons. So Rubons, 2 6 by 8 sheets. All right, here we go. The colors, this color palette, everything just like jumps off of the page. Love that little kind of rainbow, the wave again. Obviously I like the wave. I keep saying I like the wave. And then the little whale, the little fishies, very cute. Love that font, Paradise. So those are the Rubons, 2 6 by 8 sheets. And last but not least, we will take a look at the Washi. And then we'll take a really quick look at the big bundle. Oh, come on. Okay, Washi, Washi, Washi. Let's get that out of there. It's given us a little bit of a glare. All right, let's get us a new, fresh page here. How about here? How about here? So, Washi in Just Beachy, 5 rolls, 3 rolls that are standard width, and then 2 rolls that are narrower, which I love that they do that because then they're great for layering. So there are your 3 that are standard width. Here are your 2 that are narrower. I will put all of these down and then I'll bring it up to the camera so you can kind of get a better feel for what they look like. Oh, that's so fun. That rainbow with the palm tree. This mint color looks really pretty. And then, oh, this little floral teal background. Reggie's back. He's back in here again. Oh, love that teal. And then we have 2 narrows. So this little orange guy kind of looks like a wood grain pattern. A little bit. And that maybe like on a tiki hut. And then this wave. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Maybe I need to work on my adjectives. Okay, here we go. 5 rolls of washi that are part of Just Beachy. Colors are just so vibrant, aren't they? Oh, Reggie agrees. Dude, Reggie, buddy. Yeah, he's like, I'm just gonna stand here. I'm just gonna stand in your way. Get in your bucket. Get in your bucket. Hold on, friends. Let me just try to get him in his bucket. And if he doesn't want to cooperate, then I will take him to the other room. There you go. Stay in your bucket. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, let's cross our fingers. He's just standing there. Okay. Yes, anyhow, I showed those to you, right? I think I showed those to you before he jumped in. There we go. The 5 washi. Okay, so those are the products that I have a la carte, meaning you can just get your burrito or your taco or your side of rice, or you can get the combination plate. So the combination plate is going to be the big bundle. The big bundle includes everything that I already showed you, but it also includes lots more things that I do not bring in a la carte. When you buy the big bundle, you get everything, and the big bundle is marked down 15% because you're buying it all. Okay, so if you love a collection, this is definitely the way to go. Definitely the way to go. So the things that we already looked at that were a la carte, we have the 6x8 paper pad, the 12x12, or excuse me, the 6x8 paper pad, the sticker book. We have the 5 packages of die cuts. Where? Well, I gotta figure that one out because it's not in here. 5 packages of die cuts, which are going to be your floral bits, your journal bits, your sticker bits, and the big bits. And then the Rubons. So those are all the a la carte products that I showed you. And the washi. Now, the other things that are in the big bundle that I don't bring in a la carte, you have the chipboard frames. So 6 chipboard frames. Look how cute that little like bamboo frame with the little palm trees and the little VW bus. Oh, that's fun too, like the little life preserver. You have the enamel dots. So those are like glittery. I mean, it's built into the enamel, but they're kind of glittery. You have the decorative brads. So these are your metal with epoxy on top, and then some self-adhesive chipboard. Self-adhesive brads, and then your self-adhesive chipboard as well. We have the pack of 2. So 6x12, 6x12. Love those titles. Vacation, tropical, love the kind of shadowy effect. Paradise. Then you have the chipboard. Last but not least, in that big bundle, you have the collection kit. Striped washi with the palm trees. I know, wasn't that good, Deborah? I agree. Last but not least, you have the collection kit in Just Beachy. It's part of the big bundle. So you have your 12 by 12 pattern pick. Oh, there we go. There it is. There is that. Speaking of the palm tree, right? The stripe with the palm tree. So fun. So fun. And then you have that really pretty teal floral. The map with the geotags. And the pink and orange palm trees. All the little sea creatures. And the waves. I just love this one. We saw this in the 6x8 too. I think that's so fun, like the sand and the water. Stripe. You have that floral, and then the grid. This is kind of what Kelly Bangs is known for, her style. The beautiful florals, and then we always see like grids and things, ledgers and grids in her collections, which I just love. This is another thing that she's known for. In a lot of the collections that she does, she has a sheet like this. That has all those little cards, right? So you could cut those apart, or you could use the whole sheet. I've made some really fun kind of demo layouts with a piece of paper like that. You can do some really cool, fun things with it. There's your little kind of pink wood grain. That's paper, but it's kind of those stickers, like sticker look that we saw, right? Kind of looks like your vinyl stickers. Horizontal. Diagonal stripe. There are your little tags. Your journal elements, your 3x4 cut aparts, your 4x4 2x2s. That one, I love that look so much. I think that is so fun. 4x4 2x2s with your little palm tree scene. And then your 4x6 cut aparts with your kind of little furnish look there. And then part of that 12x12 collection kit is also the 12x12 sticker sheet.